Hi everyone, back with another review on the Koss True Wireless Earbuds. Koss only has one pair of wireless earbuds, and these are them, the TWS250i, terrible name, earbuds. But for $50, these earbuds sound great. I was really interested to review a pair of Koss headphones or earbuds, and these are the first ones I'm going to do. So now to an unboxing. The earbud quality is actually really nice, and the case material is a matte material. The earbuds have nice materials on them. They're kind of a metal around the rim. And then underneath this foam padding, you get a USB-A to USB-C cord and other silicone tips for these earbuds. And here's the cord that comes with those earbuds. I just want to show that Koss does not have an iOS app or an Android app, so there's no way to adjust EQ settings with these earbuds, which is okay. And I say that it's okay to not have EQ settings because these earbuds really do sound so good. They're very well balanced. The bass sounds great. The trebles sound great. For $50, these would probably be my number one $50 earbud pick. On the case, you rip this plastic off and then you can open them up. The only issue I had with these earbuds is that it took a while for them to show up in the Bluetooth settings. I think they need to just be fully charged. Obviously, mine just didn't come charged, so it took a while for them to charge. And then my phone didn't see them for a while. I had to pull them out multiple times and wait for the lights to flash. It was just kind of confusing, and there's no pair button. Okay, now looking at the Koss website, here are these earbuds. They're $50, but if you click on the history portion of Koss, it kind of takes you through a history of all of their headphones and the timeline. So apparently founded in 1958, here's one of their first headphones, and you can scroll through and look at some of their designs. I think Koss has some of the most interesting headphone designs, and they still sell a lot of these old headphones designs, which I think is cool to see. You can scroll through their history and look at their marketing campaigns. I really like that 1970 headphone, but I would recommend just scrolling through the Koss history section and looking at their marketing. I think it's an interesting case study in headphone marketing over time and seeing what works well. I still see youths walking about with some of these headsets that Koss still makes, so I do think they market to certain people. And here we are in 2023. They just barely made their first wireless earbud, these earbuds that I'm reviewing now. But just wanted to show you guys, if you sort by price, highest to lowest, you can look at some of their hi-fi headphones and their cool designs. Would recommend checking out their website. Like I said, there is USB-C charging, which is appreciated. Quick charge, everyone loves. And there's little indicator lights on the case, as well as indicator lights on the earbuds when you take them out. I do think these are some of the best looking $50 earbuds you can get. There are no earbud sensors, so when you take them out, they don't auto pause or auto play when you put them back in. But when you put both earbuds in, they do pause. Okay, I've switched over to the Koss 250i earbuds. How does the microphone sound on these earbuds? I've now switched over. There's some background noise and some typing. How does this sound? For these headphones coming out in 2023, they sure are lacking quite a few features like an app, different EQ functions, and sensors in the ear so they know when to play pause. For $50, there's probably some other earbuds that might have these features. Okay, after listening to that back, I think that was the worst mic quality I've ever heard on some earbuds recently. For those coming out in 2023, the mic was shockingly bad. The earbuds sound good, but that mic was like, I was really talking loudly and it barely picked me up, so that's very concerning. They really need to add quite a bit more features for these earbuds to be worth $50. They're competing against a lot, like JBL has quite a few options in that range, and also Skullcandy. There's no app, there's no EQ functions, there's no pair button, and the mic is quite garbage, but they sound good. This is kind of a weird release for Koss. It doesn't really look as cool and artsy as their other headphones, but at least they're trying to stay alive. Thanks, y'all.